Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove name tag from TikTok video. So when you download a TikTok video directly from TikTok, it automatically adds a watermark with the username or name tag. And if you want to remove it, these are some easy methods. So the first method, you can download TikTok video without a watermark, and this is the best option. So no need for editing or cropping. You can just find the video that you want to save, and then tap on the share button. And in here you can just copy the link of the video, and then you can open a TikTok watermark remover. And it is a free tool, so you can use Snaptik, Musically Down, or SSS TikTok. You can use it on the browser or also on your Android device, or you can just find the applications directly on your Play Store or App Store. And upon that, you can just go open the app, and then the Snaptik will automatically detect the link that you copy before, and you can just download the video. So this method will remove the username or the name tag without needing extra editing. You can just click on this, and you just need to watch an ad to be able to download the video. Or the second method, you can also crop the name tag, and it is a basic editing trick, and it works if the watermark is at the edge. But now on TikTok, the watermark is attached on the video, so this is no longer suggested. And you can just use the third method, where you can just blur or cover the name tag. So if cropping is an option, you can just use a sticker or blur effects on a video editor to cover the name tag. You can use an app like CapCut, VN, or KineMaster. You can just open the video on CapCut. You can just open the video and tap on add. You can use an effect such as blur, or also you can use a sticker to cover the watermark. Let's say I'm going to just use a sticker here. Okay, I'm going to use this one for example. You can adjust the position of the sticker to cover the name tag or watermark. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.